is Arden for some people that haven't met him. Where's Bill? There's that ugly guy right there. Always looking for the camera. Here's my boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 in the first. How many runs we got, Tommy?
4.
Oh, just 4? How many outs?
1 out.
1 down, 2 on. And Arden, line drive base hit.
No. 6 seconds. It's got to be out of the infield, Bruce.
Yeah, we got bases loaded. 1 down. Campbell's up with a broken finger. He wasn't supposed to play, but we needed a player.
You're going to start.
Here.
Somebody take it. Oh, you're up.
Take that, Tom.
Got jeans on.
Come on, Bruce.
He lifts it.
Short,
All right.
Get halfway. Come on.
Cross.
Stand here.
Texas leaguer.
Bruce, 1B.
Time.
That'll work. There's a catch. There's a base hit. Oh, and he cut the ball. He had a play. And Garver. He's got the old John Newton tomahawk swing. Vierick. And that's a good one. Off the shortstop's glove. And ooh, look at that. Ooh, oh, what a cannon. And he's safe. And the umpire. Umpire's been hanging out at the donut shop with me. But, we still don't get along. Mr. Mickey Farrick just drove in from Vegas. Works up there 5-6 days a week. And he's pissed now, isn't he? He probably drove in.
Mr. Campbell, I think
straight
you're
here.
a little bit too much there.
Probably a little fired up right now because of his
A little
hand.
bit of both.
And
Okay, we're going to analyze Tommy's swing here. I'm sure it'll be quite weak, as all the scouts have said.
I don't know, that last at bat was pretty far up in that hill up there.
That was a marshmallow.
Yeah, it was. The strings.
No. We're in the...
Good shot, Tommy. Ball. 2-2.
Tommy strokes a weak sauce single. Tom Vierick.
Come on, Jack. Get him.
He'll come.
Let's go, Jack.
Come on, guys, let's bring him around.
Someone want to resume this filming here?
There's a shot. That's the one he's looking for. It's it's too hard up that hill. And here comes Scott. And Scott doesn't hustle. He gets a triple. And it got by him, and he would have scored. Nice hustle there, Mr. War. Big Jeff. Big Jeff. And that's great focusing by my camera. You know, he get 2-2. Mick's just having a really rough time. Okay, he's got one. Must be fair. 2-2 must be fair. There's the Mickey. That's the Mick Farrick I know. Oh boy. Nope, he's safe, and there's Mickey. He's coming to 3. And I gotta go, I'm up to bat next.
Of course I want to do it. Get out of the way, knucklehead.
Hey, good job, Nick.
I think he's swinging the bat like a girl.
Need these runs.
Drive it, Mark. Yeah. Here you go.
Ball one.
Drive it, huh?
And he hits another fly ball.
Go, go, go.
Never mind.
Right here, right here.
No one coming, Curtis.
Where the hell you going, Mark? We got scared, huh?
Number 3 right here.
Made him up.
Four!
Safe, yes. Nice slide, Mark.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Single for Dave. And who's up? Let's see what we have here. And there's another single for Mr. War. And here comes Dave, and Scott doesn't want to hustle. That was a hard one. Good hit, Scott. Here we are. And let's see Mario out here. What a catch. Oh, he's out by a mile. Scott War. Used to be about 160, now he's about 190. I'm faster than he is, and he just realized he was on camera. That really ticked him off.
Oh, shit.
Arden with a nice single. Bruce Campbell knows he's on film, so he's going to swing for the fences. And there he goes. And he's going to make things happen with this one, and he does. Bruce Campbell calls the shot. Here comes Gimpy now. And here he comes. We got to play. No. Bruce Campbell says he's going to yard and does it.